Hey there, avid learners. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that'll blow your mind. Get ready as we debunk and expose 10 common myths you probably believed all your life. Sit back, relax, and let's get started. Myth number 1. Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. You've likely heard the old tale that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. But guess what? It's nothing more than a myth. Studies have shown that this habit doesn't increase your chances of developing arthritis. So, go ahead and crack away. Myth number 2. Lightning never strikes twice in the same place. Have you ever been told that lightning never strikes the same place twice? Well, think again. Lightning can and does strike the same spot repeatedly. Often, tall structures like skyscrapers act as lightning rods, attracting multiple strikes. Stay safe and remember to take cover during a thunderstorm. Myth number 3. Eating before swimming causes cramps. How many times were you prohibited from swimming right after a meal, fearing the dreaded stomach cramps? Well, the truth is, it's perfectly safe to swim after eating. While blood flow does increase in the digestive system, it doesn't cause significant cramps. Just give it some time to digest, and you're good to go for a nice splash. Myth number 4. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Here's a fascinating one. Goldfish have no memory, right? Wrong. Goldfish, like any other animal, have decent memories. Studies suggest that they can remember things for months, recognize faces, and even navigate mazes. So, let's give those goldfish some credit for their smart swimming skills. Myth number 5. Lightning never strikes sand. Time to address another lightning-related misconception. Contrary to popular belief, lightning can indeed strike sand. Lightning forms paths of least resistance, and even sandy areas can become lightning's playground. So, the beach isn't entirely safe during a storm. Seek shelter. Myth number 6. Alcohol warms you up in cold weather. Have you ever relied on alcohol to keep you warm during cold weather? Well, here's the truth. Alcohol may make you feel warmer, but it actually lowers your core body temperature. It dilates blood vessels, causing heat loss and potentially leading to dangerous situations. Opt for warm clothing and blankets instead. Myth number 7. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. We've all heard the incredible claim that the Great Wall of China is visible from space. However, it's just that, a claim. Astronauts who have visited space say the wall is practically invisible from that distance. Sorry to burst that bubble, but it's still an impressive feat on Earth. Myth number 8. Chewing gum takes 7 years to digest. Ever worry about accidentally swallowing chewing gum because you believed it would take 7 years to digest? Fear not, as this myth is all chewed up. Chewing gum won't sit in your stomach for years. It passes through your digestive system just like any other food you consume. Myth number 9. You only use 10% of your brain. Now, let's talk about a persistent myth that says we only use 10% of our brains. Well, I hate to break it to you, but that's far from the truth. Brain imaging studies have shown that we use almost every part of our brain, just not all at once. Our brains are complex and active all the time. Myth number 10. Bulls get angry at the color red. Last but not least, the myth about bulls getting riled up by the color red. In reality, bulls don't specifically react to the color red. Instead, they're more sensitive to the movement of matadors' capes. It's the motion that triggers their aggressive response, not the color. And that wraps up our journey through 10 common myths debunked. We hope you enjoyed learning the truth behind these misconceptions. Remember, knowledge is power, so always question what you hear. Stay curious and join us next time for more mind-blowing facts here at Fact D Lab.